Imagine a world with no mobile phones, no WhatsApp, no Instagram, no Google in your pocket. If you wanted to talk to someone, you had to find a landline and hope they were at home. Imagine this in 1973. A man stood on a busy street in New York, held a strange brick-shaped device, and made the first mobile phone call in history. That single call quietly started a revolution that would change how humans live forever. Before smartphones, before mobile phones, how did people communicate? How did they wait? How did they connect? There was a time when cities moved slower, when communication meant walking to a telephone, waiting your turn, and hoping the line worked. For many people, this ringing sound was the only bridge to the outside world. But wires had limits. You had to stay in one place, you had to wait, and if the line was busy, you were disconnected from the world. Humans wanted freedom, and technology listened.
The 2011 Lifetime Achievement Award to Martin Cooper.
The man was Martin Cooper, an engineer at Motorola. The phone he used weighed more than 1 kilogram, had no screen, no messages, no camera, no internet. Battery lasted just 30 minutes. And charging it took almost 10 hours. People laughed at the idea. They said, "We would anyone need a phone they can carry?" But history has a habit of proving doubters wrong.
Cellular phones not only are becoming less expensive, they're getting smaller. One piece, handheld, not car phones, street phone is a dream come true.
That's not a bad profit for 1 year.
Then strolls up
Mobile phones were not for everyone. In the 1980s and early 1990s, they were expensive and used only by businessmen and emergency service. Schools were costly, signals were weak, phones were massive. Most people could not even imagine having a phone in their pockets. Some phones were so big they looked like bricks, but something important was happening. Engineers were learning, experimenting, and improving. Step by step, batteries became better, signals became stronger, and phones became smaller. Slow mobile phones started reaching normal people, and that was the beginning of a new world.
Then came the late 1990s, and one name changed everything: Nokia. Nokia phones were simple, strong, and almost impossible to break. The battery lasted for days. Everyone learned to type fast messages. Everyone played Snake. For the first time, mobile phones were not just tools, they became a part of daily life.
In 2007, Steve Jobs walked into a stage and changed the world in silence. No keypad, no buttons, just a screen. People didn't understand it at first, but soon touch screens, apps, and real internet access turned phones into smartphones. Our phone was no longer just a phone, it became a camera, a map, a music player, and a mini computer. And then everything exploded. Internet entered the phone. A social media was born. Camera improved. Phones stopped being finessed. They became cameras, maps, music players, and mini computers. This was the moment humans stopped living without phones.
Fast forward to 2026, your phone unlocks by recognizing your face. It listens, it learns. Artificial intelligence predicts what you want to search, what you want to watch, and even how you take photos with 5. Speed feels invisible, and smartphone cameras no challenge. Professional cameras. Phone in your hand is smarter than ever imagined.
If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share our channel for more useful information. Thanks for watching.